Today I'm actually going to show you how to create a formula and a function. But first of all, I'm going to show it to you in Excel. But first I want to show you a very important button that I think is most important in using Excel or Word or any kind of Google Docs. And that button is up here. It's always going to be usually up here somewhere. It's the undo button. So for example, if you delete your work or accidentally do something incorrectly, you can always press the undo button and whatever you did, it's going to go back as it was. Alright, so today I'm going to show you first how to do a formula. So I just actually wrote in random numbers here in this column. And here's the total. This will be my formula. So we actually did this before. I'm going to use an equal sign and then just do sum. Go and click on sum and then highlight all of these numbers going down, press enter, and here's my sum. So this is a formula, and then the function could be the average. Again, it's very same. Let's do the equal sign. Always start with the equal sign if I want any kind of formula function. Just write in average, comes up straight away. Just click on it, highlight all the numbers in the column except the total, press enter, and here's my average. Of course, there's several other things that I can actually do. I can look for the max, for example. Look for the max, let's highlight all of these numbers. Oops, just a small mistake. Look for the max and highlight all of these numbers, and here are the maximum. And I can do the minimum. I do equal sign again, minimum, click on it, highlight all the numbers, and the minimum is 0. Or I can do count, which will actually count the amount of numbers which are in this graph in this table, which is very useful again if you have a big piece of data and you don't want to just keep on counting and counting and counting. You just do equal, and then imagine if all of these over here would be numbers. You could just highlight this whole thing, put it in. Oops, that didn't work. Just 1 minute. And no, we do the count A, and we highlight it, and it gives us 12. So there are 12 numbers in this column, but really imagine if going all the way down or to the bottom or to the next page, that these all would be numbers, letters, names. You could just highlight it, equal sign, count A, put them in there, enter, and you have the number of any units, numbers, dates, anything really. So today I showed you the undo sign, which is really important. You see, if I actually click it here, it disappears. It's back to this mistake that I did again. So just put it back, count A, highlight, in 12, back again. So yeah, the undo sign is actually really important. And I also want to show you lastly how to rename a sheet. It's just for your organizational purpose. Let's say you have several templates or several different worksheets that you're using. Doing a presentation, you have different graphs, different templates. So you can actually rename this by double clicking, and then it opens up for you. You can rename it anything. Let's say work 1. And the other one, let's do worksheet 3, and rename this as well for work 2. This way it's rather organized, so that you're not jumping from sheet 1 sheet through, so you're not memorizing numbers. You can name this anything, really. You can type in work 1 plus work 2, so it doesn't matter how long it is, but you can type in a whole title, so it's just for your organizational purpose. Alright, that's it today. Hope you learned a lot. We go back to sheet 1, and